The treatments for it are pretty straightforward. We want to suppress the coughing. We want to reduce the inflammation, and ideally we want to treat the source of that infection. So once you notice these signs and symptoms after picking up your dog, get them to your veterinarian. They may choose a broad range of antibiotics. They may choose to do some type of a minor corticosteroid to help reduce inflammation, likely some type of a cough suppressant. Now, there are cases where the dogs can get very bad and they may need to be hospitalized. They may need to be in supportive oxygen care. But if we can intervene before that, we can minimize the cost of the treatment and hopefully avoid hospitalization by getting on top of it.